Hello everyone, myself Tahura Fatima.
Hello everyone, myself Arfa Fatima.
We are studying in 6th standard. Our topic is soluble and insoluble substance. Soluble and insoluble are terms used to describe the ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent, typically water. Soluble substance dissolve completely in a solvent, forming a homogeneous solution. Example of soluble substance include salt, sugar, many acids and bases. C. It is soluble.
Insoluble substances do not dissolve in a solvent even after stirring or shaking. For example of insoluble substances include sand, oil, plastic, some material. C. It is insoluble substance.
Thank you.